hosted by Ahmed. He's going to fly us down there today. Scheduled to get up to 34,000 feet. It's 692 nautical miles. Expected to take an hour and 51 minutes en route. There is a little bit of weather on the way down there. We're trying to do our best to avoid that and give you a good ride at cruise. Expecting a few bouncers to depart the area and then a few as we arrive. Give you any updates we receive during the flight. Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoy the flight.
If you were...
At this time, the forward board door has to close. If you're on a laptop, your the keyboard must be stowed for takeoff. All your smaller handheld devices, including all your cell phones, they must be in airplane mode at the time. Having no more conversations, texting, Facebooking, Instagramming. Please make sure it's in the airplane mode for us. Flight 10 time doors cross check by protocol.
If you are sitting in an exit seat, please review the safety card in the seat pocket. You may need to open the exit in an emergency. Let a flight attendant know if you are unwilling to operate the exit or do not meet the exit seat requirements.
Current weather conditions in Orlando, temperature of 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius, and it's partly cloudy. If you would please pay attention to the following safety demonstration of the flight 10 to the out. For this Boeing 737 aircraft, your attention please.
Welcome back to Travel with American Airlines. We're glad you're here. This flight is on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe, made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason, you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated at an overwing exit, your window shade must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. For safety reasons, e-cigarettes and vape devices may not be plugged into any power source while on board the airplane. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Take a moment to locate the nearest one, and keep in mind, it may be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, life rafts are located in marked ceiling compartments. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. You should always put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Life vests are located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them, see your safety card. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a crew member. See your safety card for more details on how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat. It's our honor to care for you on your journeys. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching our safety demonstration. Again, the use of face coverings on this aircraft is completely optional. We ask that whether you choose to wear that face mask or not, that you please respect your fellow passengers and crew members' decisions. In the event oxygen mask drop from that overhead compartment, make sure to remove that face mask before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. In addition, federal regulations prohibit smoking, including the use of any vaping devices at any time on board the aircraft, including at the lavatories. These electronic smoke devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports or AC outlets. Again, ladies and gentlemen, all those devices have to be in airplane mode at this time. That means no more conversations, texting, anything like that. Please make sure it's in airplane mode for us. And if you do plan on using any of the complimentary entertainment services on your personal device on aainflight.com, please ensure you are required to wear a set of headphones. We are going to have a quiet cabin this evening. This way you won't disturb any of your neighbors with your own movie selection as well as that personal music selection. We promise you they don't want to hear it. Again, we do thank you for cooperation. We will be dimming the cabin lights in just a moment here. If you need more lights, there is one located overhead with a picture of a light bulb on it. Again, thanks for joining us this evening. Enjoy your short 1 hour 50-minute flight down to Orlando.
No taxis tonight, folks. Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.